Apple picking season is underway, but an early season frost has affected the crops. Let's talk about how frost forms first. We need below freezing temperatures at the ground. Our observed temperatures are taken from a shelter which is about 5 feet off the ground, but colder air sinks, so the ground temperature is always colder. We also need moisture in the air. Water molecules will touch that frozen surface and freeze, forming ice crystals, also known as frost. Favorable conditions for frost is clear skies, light winds, moisture in the air, temperatures in the 30s or below, and moisture on the ground. But how does this affect the apple crop? Well, it affects it in the spring when it starts to bloom and buds into flowers. These buds bloom during mid-April to mid-May, and about 5 to 10 days after, the petals fall off and the fruit starts to set in, usually during the month of May. But if we see temperatures during that time of about 24 degrees or colder, that can result in a 90% loss of the apple crop. In New York State saw a frost this past May on the 18th with temperatures in the mid-20s for hours, and this left a lot of damage. But how does this actually damage the crop itself? Well, apple bud leaves have fat cells that will solidify and rupture the cell walls. This kills the cells and creates black areas or even kills the plant altogether. And the U.S. Department of Agriculture says that 55 out of the 62 counties in New York State were affected. 31 of those were considered a primary disaster area, which is why emergency federal funds have been sent to farmers in those areas. So you may notice limited apple picking this year, and that is the reason why. Reporting on the weather deck, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber. Back to you.